How to fix character AI not letting you sign in or log in. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix character AI app won't letting you sign in. So let's get started. First steps first, open up your app and check if there is any issue or any pop-up that they give. If not, simply go to your control panel, check for your Wi-Fi connection, and make sure that you're connected to the internet. So connect to the internet, make sure that the connection is good and stable. So you can also use mobile data as well. After doing that, check if your app has been downloaded correctly. You can always simply uninstall the app entirely, delete it, and then reinstall it from the App Store. Let me search for Character AI here and then simply find the app here and then reinstall it back again. If reinstalling it does not work, you might have to just search for Character AI again, see if there is an update option available, and you'll see the update button instead of the open button. Tap on update if there is an issue. I mean, if there is an update available. And after the update, your problem should get fixed entirely as updates come with bug fixes and improvements. So try that. And if update is not available, you might have to clear out the cache from your app. For that, open up your settings. Let me go back here and show you how to get there. So open up your settings, go to General, go to iPhone Storage, and now search for Character AI. Then tap on Offload app and offload the app entirely, and then reinstall it back again. Doing that, your app should get cleared out of its cache and the problem should be fixed as well. Thanks for watching. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.